Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. So today I'm going to be showing my Sephora haul that I did. I had the VIB status, so I'm hoping to get to the VIB Rouge status at least in the next year. So one of the things I picked up right off was the Boom Boom or Bum Bum cream, and this baby ran me like $59, which isn't too bad. So what came in it was the Brazilian Crush, which is a all over body mist. Smells delicious. I tried it. It smells good. It smells like perfume upon its own. And so I also picked up, this also came off in it. Wait, let me get this right. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It just smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. Wait, it's getting it all over me. Oh, this smells so freaking good. Oh wow. And this is let me see here. There's no paper here. I think this is an 8 ounce. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, this is an 8.1 ounce. And so, Jared, I'm not going to even try because my tongue is getting tied up. I'm just done. So this is the other one. This is the shower cream gel. This could at least been a little bigger, because I can go through this in no time at all unless it's concentrated. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, I love smelling good. And this one is the 3 full ounce. I can go through this in probably a week. That could have been at least bigger, especially when you're spending that kind of money. But I hear that this Boom Boom or Bum Bum cream was initially meant for the ass. So when you put it on the ass, it's supposed to firm and lift the ass. I'm gonna have to try that out because I have a big enough ghetto ass, as I always say to everyone. Whenever someone said, "How big is your ass?" I'm like, I have a ghetto ass, born with it naturally. So didn't get it done. No doctor inflated me or nothing. I was born with it. Had it all my life. I got pictures of me being a little kid with a big old ass. So, but I'm gonna have to try that one because I am getting older, and anything that can keep my bum lifted up and not sagging, I look forward to it. All right, so included with this was the hand cream, and this is a 1.7 flow ounce. Let me mess with my lights over here. Okay. Yeah, this is a 1.7 ounce. That should be big enough. And that is all that's in this box. But I am going to keep the box. This box is so pretty. I'm going to find some kind of way to reuse this box. And it's magnetized too. Yeah, it's magnetized. So this can go for keeping keepsakes. That's a beautiful box. I'm not letting that box go to waste. No way, no how. So while I was there, I decided to also pick up the ABH Norvina collection. Only bought one of the palettes. And this one is the volume 1 for the Mini Pro pigment palette. So let's do some swatches here. And this one is number B2. Isn't that pretty? That is so gorgeous. Let's try the pink here because pink is my favorite color. Look at that. That's matte and it's still pigmented. That is so pretty. Very pretty. Alright, so also, and this was like $28, I do believe. $28 or $29. So I went ahead and I picked up the ABH Nirvana Collection Volume 3. So let's see how this works out. Okay. Alright, so that's how that one works out. So let's do a swatch. Let's do the C2. That's pigmented. Let's try this E1 right here, the green. I'm gonna have to say I'm not liking the green. It's not gonna be my favorite color here. So let's swatch another one. C5. Yeah, I like that one better. You see this right here? Let me swatch it again. Yeah, that's very pretty. I just don't like the other green, I guess. Okay. So I went ahead and got the Huda Beauty. Now, I picked this up and I started not to. But when I thought about it, if I buy it later, I will be paying $67 plus tax. So it would come out to $70-something. If I pick it up during the holiday sale, then I'll only be picking it up for $57. And that's what I paid for it. Altogether, at the taxes, it came out to be $63. So this puppy was the most expensive one out of everything. Let's see if I can get her out. There we go. So I know you're supposed to peel this off. Here's the little taggy thing to peel it off, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. There's no need for me to do that. And I'm not gonna peel off the mirror either. There's no need for me to do that. Alright, so here are the colors. So let's go here. And this one is Nebula. Oh wow. And watch this. It has color shift to it. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Let's go with this one, which is Mercury. You see that? That is so pretty. That's Mercury. That is so pretty. Well, that concludes my holiday buy. So if you're watching during the morning, afternoon, and night, have a good time watching, and God bless. Bye.